Kor ka bentaban kantiwi ki bri badan jingduna ki dkhot man ka kanhon ka Office Commissioner for Persons with Disability jong sarkar jilla haringkat ka Office jong State Resource Center on Disability Shillong kalapan bana bakan rakhe sngi kyrpang ki bri baduna ki dkhot man lani ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities arja arpulai daga penlong yaka Empowerfest arja arpulai hak South Regno pra haususo tham auditorium Habawan banpen banai kini Shillong Press Club hak tarik unok pra arja arpulai na kaliang jong kenhun kalaong bakajing penlong e kate program kalong banpen smutu pat ba hak bay day bat ki hok pat ka baha kamiat jong ki bri ki baduna ki dkhot man bar hak an jong ki baduna ki dkhot man la kado sha ye ka jingan thop lang ye kite ki brio hapo ka em lang ka sa lang lani ka inclusion Daka babot ya kapang pedang jong kani kesngi a day for all la pentep bagin don bon ki jing penbernya ha kani kesngi boken thop na du ka jing se banta jong ki nong tambat ki nong roi ki ben kan thop ru ki bri ki badan jingduna ha ki dekhot man ki panel discussion ringkat ki babon ki jing elek kai ban pensa kan mai ya kani kesngi boker pang jong ki badan jingduna ha ki dekhot man
ka jing so comment ka bakraw manang mo yung play manang wala mentingi kani kesngi manang awak bilang to office ni Untuk Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, mana kali untuk State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong, Iwan kali kapur, mana merjumut, mana ai kali kajing krem cipang kita kajing kasih kebanyakan berkrau, ya kasih juga International Day of Persons with Disabilities aja apply. Every year on 3rd of December, Meghalaya State along with the rest of the world, is organizing the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The main aim of this day is to provide the awareness, to promote the rights and the well-being of persons with disabilities as enshrined in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Where the Act speaks more about inclusion of persons with disabilities in the society. In fact, we are very happy and very grateful to the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong with the leadership of Shri Dylan Robbis Aim, the Planning Officer of the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, along with his team, under the guidance of Dr. N.P. Lalu, the project director and state coordinator of the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, are doing hard work, and we are very fortunate that the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with this SRCDA, this year we are going to organize a very unique initiative where SRC officials has come up with the new plan of organizing the Empowerfest 2023. The aim of this program is to raise the awareness on inclusivity of persons with disabilities by providing them to showcase the talents and their abilities, and they'll be in a better position to speak on the planning of this program and how have they prepared about the 3rd December 2023.
Thank you so much, Madam Warshaw. So, as she has elaborately said that the International Day of Persons with Disabilities is commemorated, is celebrated every year all around the world on the 3rd of December 2023. However, we see that since this year, the 3rd of December is a Sunday, we have sought permission, and after prior approval, we have now celebrating it on the 4th of December at Sosotham Auditorium, starting from 11 o'clock. It is the first time that we're having a festival to celebrate our friends with disabilities, to celebrate life, to celebrate music, to celebrate us being together as a society. And so this time around we are having it in a more festive way, collaborating with different departments. This time around, this will be a very different way of celebrating the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. And we have seen that the theme for this year is a day for all, wherein it encapsulates all people from different walks of life, including persons with disabilities, to come together so that we can celebrate in a more different format as mentioned. So just to give everyone a highlight, the inaugural program will start at 11 and end at 12. The program will be graced by our Honourable Minister in charge of Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Kyrwoh, and other officials from different departments as well will be there present. And after the inaugural program, the festival will start. So we have tried to hold hands together with different persons with disabilities. We have discussed with many musicians with disabilities to come forward, and we are happy that the tourism department has lent us a helping hand through the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. So we're having the platform there, and our friends with disabilities will be performing from different walks of life, from the Inclusive Music School. We're having our friends from Jyoti Sroat School. We're having from the different blocks of the East Khasi Hills region. They'll be coming to perform. So there'll be live music. We'll also be having our food stalls manned by our friends with disabilities, who will be able to cater different cuisines from local to global. And we'll be having different line departments. For example, the Atiar team will be there. As we all know that people have to have an Atiar for different schemes, so even the Atiar team will be ready there for any enrollment. We'll be showcasing also certain assistive aids and devices like wheelchairs, then hearing aids, so people and the public know how do these assistive aids help support our friends with disabilities. We'll be also having certain caricature drawings and all manned by our friends with disabilities from different departments, different districts. They'll be helping us to understand. So we would also have sign language interpreters who will help our friends with hearing impairment. Maybe those who know Indian Sign Language can come, they will be there as well. So being a festival, we will also be having the panel discussion inside the auditorium during the festival. This will be moderated by a YouTube influencer, and we'll be having two sessions, one on arts and music and the other one on livelihoods. So we aim to end with a good note, maybe at around 6 o'clock in the evening. So we request our friends from Shillong and other places who will be here to please come and just experience along with us, to support us, especially to support our friends with disabilities. So thank you.